What's up, man? How you doing? Good. You see this? Oh. Good shit. Any ice cream? Good job. You got me good. He's like, hey, let me see that camera. Then he hands me the Twisted Tea. Yep, I just got iced. Good thing I hadn't been drinking since 9 a.m. or anything. Just kidding. Totally fine. I love Smirnoff Ice. This next clip really just is a very short clip. It's about 10 seconds long, and it really just embodies what a Holopaw ride is all about. Not making fun of anybody. It's actually just a really funny clip of people just being drunk on four-wheelers. But yeah, this is a bunch of random footage from like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago that I forgot to edit, and then I found on my cell phone, and then reminded me, oh, I had more GoPro footage. So it's kind of chaotic, but the weekend itself was also kind of chaotic. So this makes about as much sense as my memory of the ride makes sense. So it's fairly, I guess I'm saying it's an accurate depiction of that Saturday. He just said, did you sink your shit yet? Boof. I love these things. Dude, she's pretty good. She's thinking I can't answer everything. She's so little. She's light. This is a bad place to do water, really. It's all fucked up on the bottom right there. That's what got me. I was trying to float it. Nice! Good shit, Kenny! Oh! Oh!